Hi, my name is Barry Givens. I'm the Global Channel Manager for Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to be talking not about new product features for Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online, but new services features for Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online. And in particular, I want to give you an introduction to some exciting new changes that we're making around our service platform for the Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online product. I'll show you how to onboard to that platform and how you can start selling Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online alongside Office 365 to improve your practices and improve overall customer experience with the Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online product. Today we're going to be talking about this online service delivery platform. We call it OSDP, and really this is the Office 365 service platform. I'll explain to you why we're making this change and how you can initiate Microsoft Dynamics CRM online trials with OSDP. We'll talk too about the overall partner experience with this OSDP platform, how you can participate, how you can take advantage of features like the delegated administration capabilities in that platform, and then also how you can do things like convert trials to purchases, get support for your customers, and claim CSA fees in a much easier way than what you're used to doing today. We're making this transition to the online service delivery platform to provide you, our partners, and our customers with an improved experience around transaction, provisioning, billing, and administration for their online services products. Today, Office 365 customers already have this seamless experience, and we want to extend that to our CRM Online customers as well. Once we've made this transition, customers will be able to have a single bill with all of their online services, whether that's with Lync Online, SharePoint Online, Exchange, or Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online. And most exciting of all is going to be the ability for customers to have this single sign-on and identity federation so that end users of Microsoft Dynamics CRM can use their corporate credentials and corporate managed credentials for accessing their CRM Online subscriptions. Now, as I mentioned, this move is really a transition for us. The Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online Q4 2011 service update is really going to be operating on two different service delivery platforms. The platform that you're used to using with CRM Online is called CTP. Now, that's not too important for you to know, but you can take a look at that at the bottom of the slide here. We started using that platform back in 2008. When we first launched Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online, and that platform and customers will be on board to CRM to access new subscriptions and pay for their subscription up until the end of 2012, up until Q4 of 2012. But starting in Q4 of 2011 with our new service update, some customers will be able to onboard to the new Office service delivery platform. Customers on that new platform are really going to be able to enable this single click, try, and buy experience across CRM Online as well as Office 365 products. As Microsoft and as you are Microsoft partners, you'll be able to have offers extended out across all services that we're offering through the online platforms, and we're really going to be providing a simplified process around billing and fee collection for you, our partners. First thing I want to point out is that for some customers, and the majority of our customers over the next year, they'll be actually onboarding to that CTP environment. For some customers, though, they'll want to be using trials and transacting on the OSDP platform. Now, those specific customers, we've actually set out some guidelines for how you can determine whether or not a customer or prospect is a good candidate for going on to the OSDP platform. When you're thinking about your candidates for onboarding to OSDP, take a look for these few things here. We want to find customers who really need that identity federation, that single sign-on. We want to make sure that those customers are also looking for compliance with key industry and regulatory standards, such as ISO standards around data center certification, as well as specific disaster recovery needs. The OSDP platform is providing invoicing across more markets, and so for those markets where invoicing is not available today for CRM Online, you may want to think about bringing those customers into the OSDP experience. We're also providing that unified administration experience for online services. So for customers that are already using Office 365, it's really an obvious thing to try to bring them on to the OSDP platform with the CRM Online product. Now, in general, we're also looking for larger customers, more enterprise-focused customers, and we'll be looking for prospects that have 100 seats or more and again require that AD Federation or some regulatory and industry standards and compliance. Now you as partners, if you have prospects who fit that profile, what we'd like you to do is take a look to see how you can participate in selling into this OSDP environment. Let me give you a little bit of explanation on what you can do to qualify to sell into the OSDP environment. The first thing that I want you to know as certified software advisor partners selling Microsoft Dynamics CRM today is that you should go out and join the Cloud Essentials program. Now, Cloud Essentials is a program that allows you to sell Office 365 and lets you transact business in that OSDP platform. You can sign up for the Cloud Essentials program over at the website www.microsoftcloudpartner.com. Signing that agreement, it's very similar to the CSA agreement that you've already got today, and qualification for that is very simple. Once you've signed up for that program, you'll be enabled to sell into OSDP, and you'll also be able to qualify for the Cloud Accelerate program, which unlocks additional benefits for you in selling and servicing clients on Microsoft's cloud services applications. Signing up for that Microsoft Online Services Partner Agreement, again, is quite simple. All you need to do is go to microsoftcloudpartner.com, identify the the MOSPA agreement, the Microsoft Online Services Partner Agreement, read the agreement, take the Cloud Essentials certification training, pass the Online Services Assessment, a 25-question exam, and once you receive confirmation that you've passed the exam, sign in to the Microsoft Online Portal. Now, that online portal gives you access to internal usage rights benefits on Office 365 and will allow you to unlock additional benefits and abilities around selling the Microsoft Office 365 product as well as Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online. After signing into the Microsoft Online Portal, you'll be able to, again, access those benefits. You'll be able to set up your internal usage rights and access delegated administration capabilities in that product, both for your own product as well as products of your customers and clients, as long as you have that Cloud Accelerate privilege. And a note about Cloud Accelerate. Cloud Accelerate is available to partners who've signed the MOSPA agreement, but have also sold at least 3 deals and have 150 seats in either CRM Online or Office 365 products today. You'll need 3 cloud customer references and make a commitment to selling an additional 8 deals and 500 seats over the next year. There's no additional fee for this Accelerate package, but it does, as I said, unlock additional benefits like the ability to provide delegated administration to your clients. That ability is going to allow you to administer services on behalf of your customers, as well as raise support tickets for them for their existing services. Once you become qualified to sell Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online on that OSDP platform, and you've identified a prospect that fits the criteria that we're looking for, we want to show you how to initiate a trial on OSDP. Today, the process of initiating a trial in our existing platform is really quite simple. You go up to the website, fill out a form, and start using the product. With OSDP, as we're making this transition, we're going to be gating those trials and providing a restricted access to trials for the time being. Customers are going to be able to find that they won't be able to initiate a trial through OSDP in the Office 365 portal themselves. They'll actually need your help as a partner. So you, as a partner, once you've identified a prospect, we'd ask you to contact your designated SSP, your Microsoft Solution Selling Professional. Let them know that you've got this prospect on the line, that they meet the qualification criteria of 100 seats, and that they do need some of the Active Directory and single sign-on benefits that are available in OSDP. Your SSP will then work with our regional operations centers to provision a trial, and they'll then contact you with information on how you can get your customer signed up with a trial on the online service delivery platform. What you'll be provided with as a partner is actually just an email that you can forward on to your prospect, and within that email will be a link to a 30-day trial. Your prospect can then view that trial invitation via email and then sign up for themselves on the portal. Once that prospect's signed up on the portal, they'll get access to the Microsoft Online portal for their subscription, and they can actually assign you as a partner of record. This is really where having you sign that Microsoft Online Service Provider Agreement, that MOSPA agreement, is critical. Customers and prospects go up to the website and identify you by your MPN ID. They will only be able to find you in the system if you've signed that MOSPA agreement. So make sure you get that MOSPA agreement signed, and as you're onboarding customers, they'll be able to assign you as partner of record to their trial. Once a prospect has assigned you as the partner of record on their trial, you'll be able to see their subscription, and they'll also be able to see that you're assigned and designated as their partner of record within their own version of the Microsoft Online portal. The customer and you can then administer the services, set up things like Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online, Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, and actually set up your Active Directory Federation all from within the IT admin portal. Now, a quick word, I mentioned that those partners who qualified for that Cloud Accelerate program have additional capabilities. One of these key capabilities is the ability to provide delegated administration down to your clients. Let me give you a look so you can see what that looks like, so you can maybe get motivated to go out and qualify for Cloud Accelerate. As a Cloud Accelerate partner, you'll be able to use the Microsoft Online portal to find your customers. You'll do that typically by entering in their domain name, clicking Next inside the online portal for searching for your customer. And once you've done that, you can do a range of things for those existing customers, including administer their services, creating new service requests, or looking up and editing company information. The view you'll get as a partner is tailored to you for that specific customer. And as you can see here, allows you to get access to SharePoint Online, Lync Online, and Intune service features. The majority of our customers in the OSDP trial experience for the Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online Q4 2011 service update will be enterprise customers who have enterprise agreements, and many of them will want to actually purchase their CRM Online subscription through their EAs. Now, this is a process that some of you may be familiar with and others not as much. We wanted to give you a chance to take a look at what this process is going to look like for you as a partner in selling and attaching Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online subscriptions to an existing enterprise agreement. The process for converting an OSDP trial to a purchase, you can see, is a little bit involved, but you as a partner only need to be worried about a few steps in this process. Take a look at the green icons in this diagram. Those represent all the places where you as a partner have some kind of an interaction with either a customer or with Microsoft in completing this trial to purchase on an enterprise agreement. The first step here is really where your customer is going to indicate to you that they'd like to complete the trial and they'd like to convert the trial over to a purchase on their enterprise agreement. As you would normally do today, you'll contact your Microsoft Dynamics SSP, and they'll engage with licensing support specialists within Microsoft to pull the SKUs and generate an EA amendment for the purchase. Our SSP resources will then return that EA agreement back to you for signature by our customers. Now, one new thing that you'll need to do as a CSA and MOSPA partner is to pull the Online Service Agreement Partner Attach form. We call this the OSA form or an OSA form. That's a simple form that makes sure that you get credit for selling this deal on the enterprise agreement. You'll take that OSA form along with the order form to your customer. They'll sign that EA amendment as well as the OSA form, return it back to you, and then you'll work with the account's large account reseller, their LAR, to actually transact the deal. And that's really where your involvement in the process ends. The LAR then contacts our regional operations centers who will add the CRM online agreement to the EA and notify the customer that they're ready to start using the product in the OSDP environment. A note about that OSA form, that partner attach form. That form's official name is called the Online Services Advisor Partner Attach Form. You can access that form from explore.ms. That's a website, http://www.explore.ms. Now, if you're not familiar with that site, you'll have to go up and register for the site. You'll get access within a short amount of time. Just search for the Online Services Advisor Partner Attach Form. You'll locate it on the page there, and you can do a download. It's about a 2-page form, so it's really a simple form for you to fill out and hand off to your customer, and in turn to the LAR with the order agreement. And again, what that form does is make sure that you, as a partner, are getting credit for this for the sale of Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online through the EA, and that's how we make sure that we get you your CSA fees back to you. As I noted, our Regional Operations Center actually ends up doing most of the work, and once they've attached the CRM subscription to the EA, they'll let your customer know. Your customer can then keep you involved in the process to make sure that you know that they've received the notification that their subscription has been activated. The customer will then go to their online portal, and they can actually see that their billing and subscription offering has been activated, the number of licenses that they're using, and they can note that that purchase has been made on their enterprise agreement. Now, in some cases, we'll have some medium and large accounts that certainly qualify to participate in an OSDP trial for this Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online Q4 2011 service update. And those customers may not want to purchase on an EA. They may just want to make a direct purchase either with a credit card or through invoicing. For those customers to convert from a trial to a full subscription couldn't be easier. All they need to do is, once they get that trial expiration email, click the link within the email. They'll go to their Microsoft Online portal where they can indicate that they'd like to purchase the trial. They'd like to convert to a full subscription. And if they haven't assigned a partner of record, they can do so at that time. Once they've done that, that customer will get a purchase confirmation, and you, as a partner of record, will eventually get your CSA fees. And one of the key experiences within the OSDP environment for you as a partner will be making sure that you're getting support for your customers. I want to describe the several ways that customers on the OSDP environment will be able to get support from you or from Microsoft for their Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online subscriptions. Certainly, we have a lot of self-service support capabilities that you, either as a partner or customers, can get directly by going to our Office 365 or our CRM Online communities, using self-help and knowledge-based articles, all from either within the Microsoft Online portal or from the Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online Resource Center that a lot of our customers are familiar with today. Certainly, you still have access to product technical support, and that continues to be unlimited technical support for the CRM Online product. Customers can call support directly, or you as a partner can call on their behalf. Likewise, billing support is available at all times for that OSDP subscription, and access to that information can be found within the Microsoft Online portal for Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online. As noted before, Cloud Accelerate partners have additional capabilities around the delegated administration capabilities that they have access to. They can look up customers, look up support logs for customers, create support requests on behalf of customers, and even access a service health dashboard, which is a great new feature of the online service delivery platform. For Cloud Accelerate partners, you can look up a customer, we described this earlier, and look up their support logs. You can actually see a list of all the support cases that a customer has open across their subscriptions. And as we've noted, we can raise a service request on behalf of your customers. This is a great way to add value to your customers by taking off some of the support burden from those customers and taking it on yourselves as part of a service management package that you provide back to them. I mentioned the Service Health Dashboard. This is a view into what that looks like. This gives you as a partner or customers direct access to viewing what the service health is. You can see service uptimes, when there was a service degradation or a service interruption within any of the online services. As noted, community and self-help support is available through the administration portal for the Microsoft online services, both through the CRM Resource Center as well as the CRM community sites. One of the most exciting parts about the online service delivery platform is that it's going to make claiming CSA fees really easy. Let me show you what that looks like today, and I'll show you what it looks like in the future with OSDP. Now, the key thing to note here is that we're really eliminating that claims process. With the online service delivery platform, you as a partner receive your fee statement, you get paid your fee, and then can view those fees that you've been paid out on the MPN dashboard. For the next year, you'll see two fee payment experiences for your online customers. For customers that you've onboarded through that CTP environment, that's that existing billing and licensing environment, you'll be able to access your existing customers there, and you'll be able to continue using the claims process available through the Partner Source website. That site has a different claims process, and for customers that, again, you're onboarding there, you'll continue to use that claims process, which has a bi-weekly payout frequency, so that's twice a month that you get paid out those fees. On the OSDP experience, for customers that you've onboarded there, you'll have a different experience. The payout actually comes from a different system and a different organization within Microsoft. It's aligned with the rest of the Office 365 subscriptions that you may have sold, and that has a monthly payout frequency, but no claims process, and those fee payments are completely automated for you. Let me give you a closer look at what that looks like. As I noted, we'll have these two different experiences. One is on the CTP platform. Many of you are still very aware of how this process works today. Looking at the top diagram here, today you log into Partner Source to view your available claims. You answer a Partner Customer Association questionnaire. This is just a legal document that validates that you were indeed the partner of record on that deal. You digitally sign the document and then submit the claim. The partner, you receive the CSA fees on a twice monthly basis, depending on when you made the claim and when the deal was sold. For those customers that you bring on to the OSDP platform, that experience is radically simplified, though. You really don't need to take any action at all. The process diagram here just shows you viewing your forecasted OSA fees on the OSDP platform website. That's the Microsoft Online portal we've been talking about. And you'll receive a fee statement there, and the money gets deposited directly in the account you've associated with that MOSPA agreement. So let's take a look at what we've discussed today. For the Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online Q4 2011 service update, we'll be running billing and service delivery on two parallel platforms. The majority of our customers will continue to use the CTP platform. That's the platform you're used to signing people up on today on the Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online website. For customers meeting a certain size and requirements criteria, you'll be able to onboard them to the OSDP platform starting in late 2011. 1 year from that, in 2012, we'll make a switch to move all of our partners and customers over to the OSDP platform, where you'll be able to take advantage of those single sign-on and unified Office 365 capabilities around a single customer and transaction management platform. Remember that when you're identifying prospects to bring on to the OSDP platform, we're looking for a few specific things. Large customers with 100 or more seats, a requirement around Active Directory Federation or the need for single sign-on across their Office 365, internal networks, and their CRM online services, And we're also looking for customers who may have specific needs around regulatory and industry standards compliance around the data center. You, as a partner, will need to be able to have the MOSPA, the MOSPA agreement signed to sell in OSDP. To do that, join the Cloud Accelerate or Cloud Essentials program so that you can onboard customers in that environment. Key things for you to go do. First, get ready. There's no need for you to wait to sign the MOSPA. You can do that today. Go ahead and get provisioned on that Microsoft Online portal. That'll enable you to start taking advantage of internal usage rights for Office 365. You can join that Cloud Essentials program and the Cloud Accelerate program if you've already been selling online services. And we also want you to get out there and start identifying prospects. Look for those prospects with 100 or more seats and some specific needs around their CRM online implementation, like Active Directory Federation and data center certifications. Well, this has been Barry Givens. Thanks for joining me today to learn about the online service delivery platform. I hope you can see that it's going to be a great benefit to our customers and to your partners around managing your online service subscriptions with Microsoft. It's going to make your life easier as a partner and enable you to improve and scale your practice to sell more online services with Microsoft. Thank you.